Imagine building a house in just days, or designing your dream home with AI in seconds. The future of home construction is happening right now, and you won't believe what's possible. 1 to 3D printed homes. Yes, you heard that right, houses can now be 3D printed in just 24 hours. Here's an incredible insight. These homes are cheaper, faster, and more sustainable, making them a game changer for affordable housing worldwide. 2. AI-powered home design. AI tools can now create custom home layouts in seconds, optimizing for space, energy efficiency, and even your personal style. Pro tip: if you're planning a new home, AI can help you visualize and tweak designs before construction even begins. 3. Smart homes with IoT. From self-adjusting thermostats to voice-activated lighting, smart homes are getting smarter every day. Here's a valuable insight. Integrating IoT devices can cut energy costs by up to 30% while adding convenience and security. 4. Self-healing concrete. No more cracks in your driveway. Self-healing concrete uses bacteria to repair itself when damaged, making roads and foundations last longer. The future of home construction is smarter, faster, and greener than ever before. Want to stay ahead of the trends? Visit www.transformativeconstructionexperts.com for expert insights. And don't forget, subscribe for more groundbreaking home transformation tips.